Hey, today I am upgrading the storage on the Sony ZV-E10 with a brand new high-speed memory card. For this upgrade I am using the SanDisk Extreme PRO 128GB SDXC card with read speeds up to 200 MB per second and write speeds up to 90 MB per second. This V30 Class 3 card is perfect for capturing reliable high bitrate 4K video. Let's get this package open. Tear down the outer cardboard box to slide out the plastic blister pack. SanDisk packaging can be notoriously tough to open, so a quick careful snip with some scissors helps me break through the plastic and slide out the protective travel case. Inside have our shiny new full-sized SD card. Back to the camera. I will pop open the bottom compartment latch. First I need to remove the old card setup, which in this case was a slower microSD card inside an SD adapter. Give it a gentle press until you hear that satisfying click, and then securely lock the compartment door. Let's flip out the screen and power on the Sony. The camera will take a brief moment to prepare the image database file on the new card. To ensure the best performance and avoid any potential write errors, it is highly recommended to format your card directly inside the camera before your first shoot. I will press the menu button, navigate over to the setup menu, go to page 4, select format, and confirm. Once the formatting is complete, your camera is officially ready to shoot. Happy filming!